You've done it 1,000 times, that big, unstoppable yawn. And you've probably heard the same explanation. Your body needs more oxygen, right? Well, here's the thing. That's actually a myth. Scientists tested changing oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, yet yawning didn't change at all. If not oxygen, why do we yawn? The surprising truth is that yawning actually cools your brain, acting like your brain's built-in radiator. When your brain heats up, a deep breath and facial stretch increase blood flow. This brings cooler blood right where it's needed. Studies show we yawn more in warm environments. A cold pack can even stop it. Your yawn keeps you sharp,